Changing your email on Google Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address associated with your Google Pay account. Step 1. Open Google Pay app. Launch the Google Pay app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account that you want to change the email for. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Email Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Email or Account Information. Tap on it to view your current email address and options for changing it. Step 4. Change your email. Select the option to change your email address. You may be prompted to enter your new email address and verify it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new email, you will likely receive a confirmation email at that address. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Google Pay will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Google Pay's help section for further assistance.